7 continents and 5 oceans.
In 7 continents, there are 195 countries in the world. Of those, 196 are officially recognized by the United Nations. Asia is the largest continent. In terms of land area, it covers about one-third of the total land of the world. It is present in the Eastern Hemisphere. There are 48 countries as recognized by the United Nations. 2 countries of this continent is shared with Europe, Russia and Turkey. The largest country in the world, Russia, is present here. It is also known as the most populous continent as well because more than 4.6 billion people as of 2021 lived here. The 2 most populous countries are present here, China and India. It also consists of the world's highest mountain. Africa is second largest continent. All the 3 lines that the equator, Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn pass through this. Most of its parts lies in the northern hemisphere. The Great Sahara Desert of the world is present here. The longest river Nile in the world is also present here. Total 54 countries present here. Around 15% of the total population of the world live here. Algeria is the largest and Seychelles is the smallest country here. The famous and second largest lake in the world, Victoria Lake, also part of the continent. North America is the 3rd largest continent. A very narrow strip of land, namely the Isthmus of Panama, connects it with South America. It is present in the northwest hemisphere. It consists of 23 countries. Canada is the largest, whereas Saint Kitts and Nevis is the smallest country. The largest island of the world, namely Greenland, is part of this. The largest freshwater lake, namely Lake Superior, is part of the continent. South America is the 4th largest continent. It is mostly lodged in the southern hemisphere. The length of planet, the Great Amazon forests are present here. The longest mountain range, namely the Andes, are also part of the continent. The longest river, namely Amazon, also flow here. 12 countries are present here. Brazil is the largest, whereas Suriname is the smallest country here. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. It's completely lies in the southern hemisphere. The South Pole is the center of the continent. It is covered with ice sheets. No human settlement are there. Research centers of many countries are present here. The name of such research station there is Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Europe is the sixth largest continent. The combination of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. It is surrounded by different water bodies from the three sides. 15 countries are present here. Each has few countries with each share with other continents like Asia and Africa. The world's smallest country, Vatican City, present in Europe. Oceania is the smallest continent. It lays in the southern hemisphere. Australia is the largest country without any land border. The biggest coral reef in the world, namely the Great Barrier Reef, is present here. Fourteen countries are present here. Five oceans of the world. Number 1. Pacific Ocean. Number 2. Atlantic Ocean. Number 3. Indian Ocean. 4th. Arctic Ocean. 5th. Southern Ocean.
Please like, subscribe and share my channel.